Then you ask yourself, ukuthi impilo zethu fanele sidecidele osomabhizinisi, the investors. The investors who are taking a lot from us and not giving back anything. Instead, they take and take and take even more. They're getting richer and richer ngathi. They consume, thina singama consumers, kuma business wabo, wezinto zethu. Kanti thina sesiyidom kangakanani ezweni bafethu. The very same people abaceba ngezinto zethu. Thina si helpless kangako. Afika umuntu identify into phansi kwethu engeyethu aqashe thina ukuthi sisebenze yena thathayo abuya sibuyisela iphepha alithatha itshe lethu alithatha igolide lethu alivalele somewhere abuyisa iphepha ekulona kufanele siphile ngalo from our very own things ezisetshenzwe yithi for that matter ngangcono bekuthiwa lama investors akhulumayo afika kufike kube yiwona dikayo kufike kube yiwona awoshofa afike kube yiwona limayo kube yiwona lusayo kube yiwona asikikhumba kube yiwona thunga yagaya imshini kube yiwona mbayo imbiwo leze iphansi iproblem ithina futhi as slaves sithola upain si understand this every day bathathe enough ukuthi bacebe bahambe babuyelela bevela khona. Then every decision ekufanele decide ngempilo zethu fanele sibe dependent ngayo yonke indlela. Kanti thina sikhubazeke kangaka emqondweni. Asikwazi ukuzenzela lutho. Even the minority ke eseparlamente sihlulwa yiyona. They decide kune majority in parliament that is supposed to be standing for us. Hayi kanti kwenzakalani ngathi? Kwenzakalani ngathi ecountry? Sinkinga kangako. Sidom kangako. Sipowerless kangako. Sicabanga ngo left kangako. I mean I refuse the shame. I refuse as umuntu wesifazane in this country. I refuse as a subject of the Zulu nation. I refuse as a mother. I refuse as someone who has a responsibility for my family, for my neighbor, for my for the next generation, and I'm even responsible for a legacy generation that has passed. My forefathers, in my forefathers' land, mina nje I refuse. And I need people abazo refuse kanye nami. We can change this. We can change this. Kunalokho sibangana nayikhundla. Kunalokho the clever black sappies akhombana wodwa. Like today we have ama graduates mangakanani emhlabeni. Nisebenzaphi? First thing they want is experience from where? Usufunda iminyaka emngakanani. I'll tell you one thing that just University of Stellenbosch did kusukela ngo 2020, 21, 22, 23. There was students at the University of Stellenbosch ebekufanele ukwenza thesis. Then they chose uNongoma for into yabo. Mabefika kaNongoma, it's because kunemona market bafuna ukwazi ukuthi likhona inikhambi lokulapha umuntu ohlanya ekhanda. And I signed that off. Okay, baqala with their research. They consulted nobukhosi kaMandlakazi, nobukhosi obuthintekayo, igaba zonke zama protocols that they had to follow for that. Yaze yafika university bangibhalela repeatedly nani. That's the next thing. What is going to happen with that report after that? I asked the professor obekade communicator ngaye okuyena obeleader that. Ngithi what is going to happen after that? My students la we wona bekade kwenza phela baye bese sebeyaphasa then uzobe seya graduate for a doctorate yakhe. And then I uzo acknowledge kuzinto ezibhalwayo and what not. And then kube yilokho, then university keeps the information. Wait. Asiqale lapho, why did the University of Stellenbosch in the first place target uNongoma? target inyanga or abelaphi bendabuko, specifically in Imona market lehlala njalo ngeviki lesithathu enyangeni every month ehlalisa zonke inyanga nabathakathi nabakhunkulu bonke beAfrica just to look for ikhambi lesintu. Lesi sintu thina kithi uma ngabe sebekuthathile into zethu including onzangweni what not bakufaka ema-pharmacies, then we pay. The next thing bayibiyela leyo nto ayisathintwa, wayithinta leyo nto usuyaboshwa. Shuthi njoba sebelitholile ikhambi bazoyibhala le ncwadi yabo, but angeke iphume yonke information nama ingredients abawatholile bona ukuze balithole ikhambi lokulapha umuntu ohlanyayo ekhanda. Then they will take it to their pharmaceuticals or ey'bhedlela zabo. Who owns the pharmacies? Who benefits from the pharmaceuticals? In connection with the University of Stellenbosch. Then the next thing, asisa kunezinto esingasavumelekile ukuyithinta seziyabiyela, just like impophoma. These people, they know where your power is, and thina sinikela ngazo freely. Then leso student isotholani sizo pass and graduate cum laude. How many doctors abatelekayo today were not employed? After doing such a great job, almost wonke ama-thesis abeyenziwa or abantu asebequalifyele ubudokotela, ama-research abawenzile, abaphumi laba belungu bahambe baye laphaya. Mhla sebewalifuna leli khambi bayothumela abanye noma bayoyela bona. Then the next thing, sekunesihlahla special ekufanele sisibiyele. There are natural resources that we don't own as natives. We are natives of this country. We are natives of our lands. But we don't own anything. Everything is owned by strangers. Everything is owned by colonizers. Now they tell us, investors decide ukuthi ngempilo zobani. Mina I say no more, not ngeyami impilo, not anymore. I refuse. And I need people that are going to refuse with me. I siyaphika. Just kungekudala nanamhlanje kusahujwa unqamalala over a case of the nuclear weapon deal. Abasho ukuthi billions were injected in our country egameni lama smart cities, development ezangama smart cities. Kufanele kube khona Dubai komandeni uhlanganisa no Richards Bay, usuke Richards Bay uya koBalito, abasho uhlanganisa the South Coast up to abo Eastern Cape. Kwakhiwa ama bridge amakhulu, imigwaqo emikhulu, kune development along the coast yonke lonto. Abasho ukuthi it's just a fence for the nuclear the oils that are asolwandleni lethu and gas angapha ngasesayidini lomhlabathi wethu la bakwazi ukwakha wona bona lawo nuclear weapons abakhuluma ngawo. Shuthi onqamalala uthinte esiphi isidleke, uphazamise bani kulama nuclear weapons abakhuluma ngawo. This nuclear weapon nuclear deal. And now people are victimized. And ayikho indlela abadila ngayo is these courts. That's why ngixabene nje lento ethi inkantolo phoyise bophayo ngixabene, because akusiwo umthetho that is legit. Umthetho wokucindezela bahluleka ukusicindezela, basifake imvubu, basigubhise, basifake emasimini, benze njani, bavele balethe education, balethe inkolo ezihlukene, baletha yonke lemsebenzi le where we supervise each other, lasigqilazana khona sisodwa. Then the next thing usuya graduate ufake ijazi elimnyama. Why not elimhlophe? Masulifakile ijazi elimnyama after so many years awunawo umsebenzi. Uke bakukhipha busy esidiscard ufunda iqhwagi nje. Ubanje udokotela wamaqhwagi la kini. Uba no dokotela wamaxoxo. Akekho. Pho bese lifundelani iqhwagi all these years? It's because we are wasting time.